With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question we will calculate the stress developed inside a tooth cavity filled with the copper, and when there is a hot tea at temperature of 57 degrees Celsius is drunk. So you can take body, or you can say tooth temperature to be 37 degrees Celsius, and there is a alpha for copper and bulk modulus is given. So let's firstly found the stress. So there are two temperatures, like obviously firstly the body temperature is different. So when any person just drunk a hot tea, so the temperature will be changed, so we can write the change in temperature. So that is what, so we can write here change in temperature, that is final minus initial, and this change in temperature we can represent it with the delta T. So here delta T, this is equals to 57 degree Celsius minus 37 degree Celsius. So this will be equals to 20 degree Celsius. Now here there is a linear expansion. This alpha is what there is a linear expansion in a copper. It is given in the question, and here this is in degree Celsius. So now there is a cubical expansion which is a gamma, and that is there is a relation between the cubical, or you can say linear expansion, and there is a cubical expansion, that is the gamma is equals to 3 alpha. So I can write here that's gamma is equals to 3 alpha. So now here we can find out the value for gamma by using the value for alpha, so which is given in the question. So gamma is equals to how much? 3 times value for alpha is 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So we get the value for gamma, that is equals to 5.1 into 10 raised to power minus 5 per degree Celsius. It is given in the per degree Celsius. Now the volume of a cavity, we will assume that it will be a V, and its volume increase by delta V due to increase in temperature. So if there is increase in temperature, also increase in the volume, so we can write here that there is a delta V divided by V is equals to gamma delta T, or you can write here the delta theta, which is change in temperature. So we also know that there is a thermal stress produced, and this thermal stress produced is equals to how much? Is equals to B into volumetric strain. So we can use here the formula for volumetric strain. So there is a strain which is delta V divided by V. So here we can write B, and there is a delta V divided by V, and so this thermal stress. So we also know this expression is equals to, there is a gamma delta T, or you can write here the eta also. So I will use here the gamma. So this is gamma delta T. From here I use this value. So now after using all the values here, I am able to find the answer of a thermal stress. So basically if you see here from the question that there is B, that is the bulk modulus is also given. We have a value of a temperature and this alpha linear expansion. So we can use all these values to find out the value of stress, thermal stress. So here it is 140 into 10 raised to power 9, and this is 5.1 into 10 raised to power minus 5, and this change in temperature is 20. So after calculating we are able to get the answer, that is 1.43 into 10 raised to power 8 Newton per meter square. So from this explanation let's find out which is our correct option. 1.43 into 10 raised to power 8 Newton per meter square, that is in option first. We can write the correct answer, that which option is correct, that our option A, or you can say option 1 is the correct option. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understood the explanation of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.